It's almost snowing in Ballarat. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cold. Like, oh, horrible, yucky, yucky, yucky. So wherever you are in Australia at the moment or wherever, please stay warm. Or actually, just stay cozy. That's the best way to do it. So let's talk today about dentists. So this is one way to get clients on board. I had one student that ended up going into the dentist, and now she actually works there. It's a permanent structure of the dental practice. So you have to go and see her before you can actually have any of your dental procedures done. So that's really cool. And I admit I stumbled across this one. I really did. I was going through some rough time with my business because guess what? This is being self-employed. One minute it's awesome. And the next minute it's like really down. You think, man, did I post something weird on Facebook? And everyone's like, no, we don't want to talk about this or something. And I did stumble across this one. So what happened with me was I printed off a heap of flyers and I was walking around and I was like, wow, how do I get some more professionals on board? Because I'm not really getting a lot from my doctor's system at the moment. And I walked past a dentist and I thought, oh, you know what? Phobias of the needles and the fear of being in the dentist, why not just pop in, sort of thing. So I popped on in, and the dentist wasn't a huge fan of what I was kind of promoting. And I said to him, I said, hey, well, why don't we do a quick session in your clinical room right now, and I can show you what I can do. And that just kind of launched the situation right from there. The best thing about dentists is that they're not like doctors, okay? So a lot of people put them in the doctors category, and doctors are not rude people. They're just really stressed out, so they've got to get shit done right now, right now, right now. Where dentists, as much as they're really, really busy, they're also in charge of their own practices. So you will find them a lot more down to earth and a lot more nurturing. And their receptionists are usually either them or a lot more open to you talking to the dentist, okay? So give the dentist and the staff a session so they can experience it themselves. So they've got the time to do that. I had a brochure printed out, one of those little, what do they call them, B5s or something like that, with a QR code, and I asked them to put that in the waiting area for people that were waiting for long periods, so if they needed some assistance. And it was quite surprising how often that somebody would come and see me, and they're like, oh, the dentist gave me your brochure, blah, blah, blah. So have them in there ready to go. And there's no need to offer a discount or anything as an expectancy when the dentist is there and it costs money, because you go to the dentist and you know it's bloody expensive and you're ready to invest the money. So, and then if the fear kicks in, there's no need to say, hey, we'll give you 10% off because you were referred by this dentist. Just be that, on that level of professionalism when it comes to this, and just say, yep, I'm here to help you if you want some assistance. And then if you don't get any clients, which I'd be very highly surprised, go back and talk to them, because these people may be busy and perhaps they either haven't put your brochure up or they haven't kind of gotten to the habit of giving out your brochure just yet. So just go back, touch base, make sure that the brochure is there and that and they understand what it is that you exactly can assist with, because they might just be confused. They're like, oh, do you do hypnosis? I mean, we all know hypnosis is for weight loss and for quit smoking, but for relaxation and things like that. If you can hear rattling on the roof, Eddie's running around up there. So make sure the dentist understands what scope of your practice really is, and be specific. You don't have to go into every single thing that you do. We know that we can help a lot of people, but be specific to that industry and what those people that you can assist with. So that's a really easy way to attract some clients, and you don't need to go, and do lots of stuff. Just print off a brochure, go and see the dentist, have a talk to them, and get them on board. Otherwise than that, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye-bye.